Top 5 fastest motorcycles in the world. But before moving ahead, welcome back to our channel. Go down and click the like button, and subscribe our channel for upcoming videos. 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The king is dead, long live the king. Last time out, the astonishing 49,000 pounds supercharged H2R came out top, and although the competition is closing in, it remains there today. Kawasaki set out to produce the world's most powerful production machine, and it achieved just that. In full bore, track only, R trim, the Kawasaki is claimed to produce a whopping 306 bhp, rising to 322 bhp with ram air effect. That, combined with a lightweight, tubular steel trellis chassis, although that 193 dry figure is a guesstimate based on its published 216 kilograms wet figure, is what keeps it on top. If you're going to quibble about its legality, the road legal H2 Carbon, 28,500 pounds, produces 240 bhp with a heftier 215 kilograms estimated dry weight. 2. Ducati Superleggera V4. Just when you thought Ducatis couldn't get any more exotic and potent than the astonishing Panigale V4R, see above, the Bolognese firm unveiled its most exotic and potent machine ever for 2020. Superleggera is the name applied to Ducati's limited edition, Superlight, versions of its flagship Superbike, and with a full 234 bhp, with race exhaust, and just a 152.2 kilograms dry weight due to its lashings of carbon fiber, it's certainly their most powerful and lightest yet. And, with a price tag of €100,000, 84,000 pounds, it's also their most expensive. Why don't they race it in WSB? They can't. The class has a price ceiling of €40,000, 35,000 pounds. 3. Ducati Panigale V4R. The WSB homologation special, but road legal, version of Ducati's astonishing, all-new V4 Superbike arrived last year and immediately blitzed all comers, winning BSB first time out with Scott Redding. Arguably, it should have done the same in WSB, too, but that's another story. In short, it has it all. Monster power up from the S's 214, from the MotoGP-inspired V4, an ultra-lightweight monocoque chassis, the very best of cycle parts, world-pioneering aero, aids, lashings of exotic Italian styling and poster appeal, and the 34,995 pounds price to match. 4. Aprilia RSV 41100 Factory. It's been a while since Aprilia's original, revolutionary, power-packed, compact and electronics-laden first RSV 41000 was competitive at World Superbikes level. It did originally come out in 2010 after all, which is why, in 2019, they upgraded it into 1100cc form using the enlarged engine from the 1100 Tuono. And the result, although not WSB compliant, is simply phenomenal, especially in top-spec, factory form. The engine is powerful and grunty, its tiny chassis sweet handling, and its sophisticated electronics and classy cycle parts up with the very best. Those proportions mean it won't suit larger riders, but if it fits, there are few finer road sportsters. 5. 2020 Honda Fireblade SP. Tricky to be sure about this one, as no official dry weight figures have been released, so we've had to use a guesstimate. Based on a claimed curb weight of 201.3 kilograms and a 16-liter tank of fuel weighing around 12 kilograms, the dry SP will be at most 180 kilograms. That, coupled with its 215 bhp output, puts it in S1000 RRMS sport territory, which is probably about right, seeing as this is the most powerful, extreme and track-orientated Fireblade ever, and one that's been built specifically to win WSB. But it may be better still. That's all for today. Tell us your opinion in comment section below. We will be right back with the new video. Go down and click the like button, and press the bell icon to get updated. Goodbye.